Week 3. Let's recapture on some of the key learning outcomes from last week. First of all, you should all by now have a generic introduction and understanding to the concept of building information modeling. You should understand how this technology fundamentally applies to your specific discipline and domain. You should also recognize the details and the dimensions of building information modeling, such as 3D, 4D, and 5D BIM. You should also have the confidence in developing your own BIM content, and these will include the following: modeling exterior walls, modeling interior walls, adding key components such as doors and windows, and creating elements such as floors and roofs within your models. Today's session is going to introduce you to what a federated building information model is, how to federate a building information model, and how to essentially do this using Autodesk Revit and BIM 360 packages. Essentially, the outline of this particular lecture is going to include cloud-based modeling and design team collaboration. Within the computer lab, you will complete the following lecture task: views and visualizations. Now, for architectural technologists, you might already be familiar with how to develop views and visualizations within a 3D model. But for majority of the students within this module, this will be the first time that you will truly understand how building information modeling works, specifically through the development of views and sections within your models. Essentially, the key learning outcomes will include the creation of plan views, creating elevations and section views, creating 3D views from within your model, and adjusting the appearance of elements within a view, such as a section or a floor plan. By the end of this tutorial, you will have 4 short, simple quizzes to complete. Something to consider is that the architectural technologists, while you may be familiar with the development of plan views, you may not be familiar with the concept of adjusting the appearance of elements within your floor plans. Within your group, you are again given the opportunity to meet and to develop and progress your reports. Should you wish to complete this lab tutorial individually from home, you can again do so. If you are to work within your groups and develop your research report, then the suggestion is to highlight how this particular task, setting out views and visualizations, can apply and enhance the report that you are to produce. This will be of particular interest to the architectural technology students, as you will be predominantly the leaders in developing new floor plans and elevations and sections in your models. Additional reading for today is again from the Building Information Modeling Handbook. In this week's session, the suggested reading material and resource is Chapter 5. This is again fully available via Moodle site.